Hello class, welcome back. This is our first lecture and today we are going to be covering rockfalls and landslides today. Okay, so what's the difference between the two? So a landslide is a variety of processes which trigger soil, fill material, rocks, or a combination of all of these materials to shift outwards and downwards. And these are commonly referred to as landslides, and rockfalls are sudden movements of natural minerals, including boulders or rocks that break off of the cliffs from steep slopes. So the top picture is of landslides, and the bottom picture over here is of rockfalls. Okay, so what are some triggers? For landslides, they can be triggered on slopes that are already on the verge of shifting due to factors such as rainfall, melting snow, the degradation of rivers, changes in soil moisture, systemic activity, volcanic eruptions, and even human activities. And a combination of these elements could also be a factor. And for rockfalls, gravity, mechanical weathering, and pore water are all significant impacts. And over here, I just have a diagram of 4 different steps that kind of go into like the water and the more moisture, which can cause some of these to happen. So, some hazards. A big hazard is property damage, as you can see in the picture that I have up here of the landslides. It's definitely affecting these houses. Sadly, it can even cause death. But a very common one is damage or blockage of roads or railroads. Next, we have some prevention strategies. So, maybe avoid the area. Or avoid construction by steep slopes or existing landslides. But some really good methods for like rockfall hazard mitigation include like catch ditches, benches, scaling and trimming, cable and mesh, shotcrete, anchors, bolts, dowels, or control blasting. And this picture up here gives a very great visual representation of all of those that I just mentioned. And to end off our lesson for today, I have a discussion question. You don't have to answer it out loud, but it's definitely something you should think about. And the question would be, should communities restrict new housing and infrastructure development in known rockfall landslide hazard areas? So that's just something for you to think about. Maybe next time we can talk about it. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you for our next lecture.